The new immigration plan announced by Priti Patel has made some waves in the immigration world. But how exactly will she fix a broken system? Are we equipped to do so, or are we being sold lies? Keep watching. This is Kareesha Turner, your human rights barrister. Thank you to my subscribers and thank you for commenting. I love to hear from you. Hit the notification button so you do not miss out on my videos. Number 1, faster removals. Ms. Patel talked about faster removals. Apparently, one newspaper reported that she can do it in as little as 24 hours. The truth is, there is no way we are going to have faster removals for asylum seekers in the UK. Ms. Patel has forgotten to mention that although we have left the EU, the UK still has international obligations, legal obligations that she needs to adhere to, such as being signatory to the 1951 Refugee Convention. There are currently some 109,000 active asylum claims sitting in the asylum queue, according to the Home Office. And some 52,000 of those are waiting for an initial asylum decision. Young people who have arrived in the UK on their own face huge delays in receiving an asylum decision. The delays mean that these children have turned 18 whilst awaiting for a decision, meaning they will no longer receive the same protections. The second myth is sending asylum seekers to a safe country because they should have claimed asylum in the first safe country they encountered. Post-Brexit, this is not possible. We cannot rely on the Dublin III Convention, and I doubt that countries like Germany or France would want to enter into an agreement with us for dealing with our asylum seekers. The UK is currently not in a position to send asylum seekers to a different EU country. We do not have such an arrangement. Another lie. As to family reunion being limited, again, the current legislations and international obligations that we have signed up for means that we cannot limit family reunions if an asylum claim has been successful in the UK. But what is interesting is that the Home Office, and whilst the Home Office says there is no abuse of the trafficking system, last week I had a new client who came to see me with a letter where he was recognised as a modern-day slave by the authorities some 5 years ago. My client is still waiting for a status. Nothing so far. Let's face it, the system is broken. But putting into place measures under false pretenses is not going to work. This is not going to fix the system. The Home Office has launched a public consultation on their new plan for immigration, so do speak up and go on the website and raise awareness on this, because there is a need for reform, but not the way it is currently being done. We are being lied to, and this does not concern only asylum seekers or migrants. Selling populist claims such as asylum seekers are taking over your jobs while British nationals remain economically inactive is not going to cut the mustard anymore. It affects everyone. You do not need to be an asylum seeker to be concerned, because today it is about the vulnerable. The vulnerable are being targeted, and it is only a matter of time before British nationals will also be targeted by taking away your basic human rights from you. And it has already started. I did a video a few weeks ago on how our rights to protest are being taken away from us. I'd like to hear your views on this, especially the younger generation. And if you have claimed asylum in the UK and your claim has been successful and you're now settled here, I'd like you to contact me on my email and I would love to speak to you. It is important for the public to realise that there are genuine asylum seekers, their families in need of real protection, and the UK offers that beacon of hope. Let us not ruin it for those people who need genuine help. Thank you for watching Kareesha Law. I will be doing some more videos in this in the weeks to come.